how to add custom token in Trust Wallet. With the help of this guide, you will be able to add any crypto in any network to your Trust Wallet app. So watch this video carefully and let's start. Well, as you may see, now I'm on the main page of Trust Wallet app. And let's imagine that I need to add, for example, Arbitrum crypto to my account. The first method to do that is just to scroll the main page, click on button Add Tokens, then write Arbitrum, and simply add this crypto to my wallet. But some coins you can't find and add in the search bar. So now I'm going to show you 100% working method on how to add any crypto to Trust Wallet app. Instead of using search bar, you can click on the plus in the upper left corner, and all you need to do here is just choose the correct network of your cryptocurrency and paste the contract address of it. In my case, it's Arbitrum network, so I choose it. And the second step is to find, copy and paste the contract address of the crypto you wanna add. You can easily find and copy it from Google, as I did. So I just copy the contract address of Arbitrum and paste it in Trust Wallet. Well, as you can see, I have successfully added custom token to my Trust Wallet account.